Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be sharing 5 different exercises on how to align your spine. This video requires no equipment, so if you guys are ready to give some love in those tense areas, keep watching and let's get into it. First, let's come to a position of just relaxation with couple inhale and exhales. So really soften the shoulders, standing tall through the spine. Breathing deep with your stomach. Inhale with your nose. And exhaling through your nose. Now that we're a little more calm and at ease, we're going to start with our first exercise, which is rolling up and down the spine. As we inhale, reach up, arching the chest, hips forward, dropping the shoulder, and exhale as we curve the spine and your neck. Bending your knees generously. Inhale, reach up. Continue to curve the spine as you go down and reach up, arching the chest and bending your knees generously as you go down. From here, let's fully extend our legs, clasping our elbows together, rocking side to side, relaxing the head, neck, and shoulder. Gently relax your arms down. Inhale as you reach up to a half forward bend, elbows tucked to your waist, hands on your hip with a flat back, elongating the spine, neck, and head. And inhale as we reach up. Exhale as we curve the spine, bending our knees, then coming into a forward fold, extending our legs, relaxing our head, neck, and shoulder, shaking our head yes and no. Inhale, reach up, back to standing. Next move, we are going to do side to side stretches. So we're going to inhale just like the last move. And this time we're going to drop one arm down. You're reaching out of your waist, out of your hip, and make sure your shoulders are away from the ears, dropped, so it's one line. Good. And to the other side. Inhale, exhale. This move works the lateral flexion of the entire spine, including the neck. Next, we are going to rotate our shoulders. So this is working our thoracic spine, our upper back, including our neck. So let's place our hands on our shoulder, shoulders down, and we are going to slowly rotate, elbows coming forward. Okay, you can shift your gaze left and right. Continue to inhale and exhale. If you notice that you're tense in this area, you could be holding your breath, so continue to inhale and exhale. Creating heat as we go a little faster. Good. Let's just stretch right here, elbows together, up and around. Inhale, exhale down. Another way. Inhale and exhale. Very nice. Next, we're going to continue with our shoulders, and we're just going to place our right arm on our left shoulder and your left palm out, and we're going to rotate the shoulder blade. Good. So make sure your elbow is tucked under and you're just rotating within your rib area and not overextending back. And your hand placement on the left shoulder is so your shoulders are dropped, and relax. Switching over to the left side, left hand on your right shoulder and right hand next to your waist, and in and out. Very nice. Now let's do both arms out. Shoulder blades pressing together. Shoulders down. Keep smiling. You're doing great. Good. Now we're going to move on to loosening our hips a little bit and our lower back area. So we're going to come into a further leg stance, and we're just going to bend over to that right leg and hands on your right hip, and we're going to just twist your gaze back and moving it to the other side. Make sure you're not forcing yourself to go all the way back, but slow movement. As you inhale and exhale. On the side, like this. So that concludes aligning your spine with no equipment. I hope you guys enjoyed this flow and feeling rejuvenated. Yeah, sending some love in these tense areas as we move up and down the spine, side to side, relaxing our hips and rotating our shoulder actually helps our body to feel rejuvenated and allow us to really sustain this energy throughout the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed for more videos. And with that said, it's about the journey, not the destination.